Hello my friends, welcome back to the Wallet Monkey channel where we talk about all things credit, help you with establishing relationships with the bank and of course building your credit profile. So today we have a huge milestone that we've achieved, and it's all because of you. So we just crossed over 1,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel, which for some people might not be significant. For us, it is absolutely huge. We've been grinding it out now on this channel for a while, and it means the absolute world to us that you have seen value in what we share with you all the time in these videos and the website, and you share that around, you comment, like literally just by commenting and hitting the like button, it does so much with the algorithms. And we all know that that's like this big game now. It means so much to me that you guys have taken the moment and the time to, do those things and obviously subscribe. But I noticed too is that recently the comment sections are starting to populate, right? We're starting to get people coming over from the forums and coming over from, maybe other communities and starting to cross-pollinate and share that information. And that is really what it's all about. Unfortunately, the credit game is like a part-time job now. You just got to admit that to yourself. It's going to take a lot of time and energy and effort on your part to research the latest videos to see, okay, what's the latest with Navy Fed? What is absolutely working 100% right now? Check the forums, check all these resources that you have at your disposal to be able to make the best decisions, because it is easy to remove inquiries, but it's still disconcerting, and it's disheartening rather, and it takes away from your speed and your momentum. So let's just do it right the first time. Let's get you the credit that you deserve, the credit that you need to take it to the next level. That's why we do what we do with this channel, and that's why we put so much time into this website. Like, you'd have no idea how long it took to build out this website and update this stuff. It takes a lot more time than I like to admit, but this site is here for you and it's free. It's here for all of you, and that is part of our thank you. That is part of our gift. That is part of our, value proposition to you. We're not selling anything. We got affiliate links every once in a while, but we're not really selling you anything here. We're just trying to give out the information that we've learned through our journey, through helping people, clients, past customers, etc., and really just trying to grow this thing so that more people are more informed. Because just like you, it bothers us that this information isn't taught in schools. It bothers us that this information isn't widely known to a lot of people. And so us, and there's other great YouTube channels out there and other great communities that are forming. I notice a lot of us kind of blowing up at the same time, which I think is fantastic because this is important stuff. And now more than ever, with hyperinflation the way it is, the pandemic that seems to be never ending, and a million other things that could be potential black swans in the future for the traditional vehicles like stock market, etc. It's time to branch out, and it's time for all of us to get smarter together and elevate, all the ships. Anyways, I'm just looking at the site here and just look at what we've got compiled. We got the Master Credit Card Lender List, which is a compilation of our resources, scanning the FICO forums for 6-12 months. We constantly are still scanning FICO forums, credit boards, and other resources that we can gather to update this information. We do the same with the store credit cards. We've got the definitive guide to American Express, Navy Fed, Capital One. We're about to drop the business Navy Fed side, so be on the lookout for that. There'll be a video and we'll update the article. We've got resources for rebuilding credit. We've got a huge, massive list, over 35 now, pre-qualified credit card offers, personal loan offers, everything. And then, every once in a while we do cover breaking news stuff, but there doesn't seem to be that much lately. And then obviously this page I'm on now, which is a huge resource for you. So a lot of people still don't know about these second tier credit bureaus that work more with, your Prospers and your personal loans and these establishments that are able to do soft pulls. And I've got a dedicated video coming out on this, but just understand that there's a lot of stuff that you probably still don't know, and getting more exposure to these things through videos, through text, and reading it and studying it is, again, that's how we take information and actually learn it and then be able to apply it into our lives. So this stuff is so important for all of us to understand and refine and work together on, because it does, I guess I get no benefit out of you getting more credit than me. Like, I don't really care who gets the most credit. I want all of us to win in terms of that front. So I have no care to have secrets in terms of secret banks and secret this and secret that's, because again it benefits all of us to understand this stuff, because then we can start to talk and we can kind of create this level of information and we can refine that information so that, again, at the end of the day, we we all win and we all get what we want. I want you to get what you want because what you want is different than what I want. Yeah. So if we all win together, then it makes it just a beautiful thing, right? And it definitely ain't the banks that are out there doing this. You know, they ain't out in the streets giving money. They aren't out in the streets giving value like this. In fact, they're one of the ones trying to keep this a secret. You know, the credit industry, not to go on a rant, but the credit industry is hilarious to me. You know, I went through a lot of the same stuff you did. I paid people to fix my credit and they stole my money. Paid people for authorized users, paid other big YouTubers, which I won't mention names. We had falling out with other big YouTubers that scammed us for thousands of dollars. All this stuff, you know, people steal your data points and they try and pass it off as theirs. Like, the industry itself needs a lot of work. It gets there and it gets fixed by more people transparently sharing their experiences and transparently sharing how we all can win. And this is how you do it. And there's other channels like this, which is the great news. And I like how we're all kind of blowing up at the same time, okay? So anyways, this site is here for you guys. It is free. It's got really good uptime so far. It hasn't had so much traffic that it drops down, but we are getting tens of thousands of users and people going to the site now, which is absolutely incredible. I would have never dreamed of that when we built the site. And so thank you for that. Thank you for all the support on the YouTube channel, and we're just getting started. So stick around, subscribe. We've got tons of great videos coming out. We're spending so much time now researching and getting data points together and cross-referencing all of that so that we can continue to improve the way we deliver and improve how we compile our data to give you the most up-to-date information that you can take action on. You can take that today and take action on it and go and get approved for those cards, those loans, those business relationships today, right? So anyways, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Comment below with anything you got, video ideas. If you want to help us gather data points or become a writer for the site, we'd love that. We can get in contact in the comment section below. So comment all that stuff and be on the lookout. More videos coming soon. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see ya. Okay, thanks. Bye.